going on, trade bros? It's your trade bro here again, coming at you from the Bitcoin chart as always. As usual, none of this is financial advice. Now sit back, relax, and we'll get into the latest and greatest in Bitcoin news and developments. Now, Bitcoin is around 37,300 after dipping to 36,200 on the news of Binance getting fined to the tune of $4 billion and CZ having to pay $50 million personally and stepping down as CEO with no involvement in the management for 3 years. They appointed a new CEO within the day, and deposits and trading were unaffected. After the exit of CZ, Binance customers moved around 5,000 Bitcoin off the exchange, while Coinbase Pro received an influx of 12,000 Bitcoin. CZ still remains a majority owner in the company moving forward. In security news, HTX, formerly Huobi, was hacked on the Heckle Bridge. The exchange says customers affected will be made whole and all other cryptos were unaffected. It is advisable to steer clear of any bridges. The FOMC meeting just happened. It went largely as expected, with them being pessimistically optimistic. They are prepared to raise the rates if inflation breaks the current downward trend, currently resting at 3.2%. F2 Pool tried playing Bitcoin police by filtering transactions and claiming it's what they should have done. They have around 14% of the hash rate. I presume we will see this fall, as it is a large part of Bitcoin's ethos that it is uncensored and not controlled. I think the CEO realized this because he quickly deleted his post where he claimed that this was sort of his duty. In ETF news, Grayscale met with the SEC to talk about the conversion of their trust from GBTC to a spot trust, and chose BNY Mellon as its authorized participant. So we are taking great steps forward towards the ETF, and I think the market is realizing this. Another important metric to note is 70% of circulating Bitcoin supply has now been inactive for over a year. This is an all-time high for this metric. The same metric for 2, 3, and 5 years has also reached an all-time high. Block 800,018 and 87 was mined, marking the largest transaction fee ever paid in Bitcoin's 14-year history at $3.2 million. There's a chance this was an individual error. In political news, many Bitcoiners are hopeful on the election of Javier Milei as Argentina's new president, as he has remarked on multiple occasions that he has a positive view of Bitcoin, saying,
Bitcoin, se habla de Bitcoin en los medios, se habla de Bitcoin, pero ya hay gente que lo pondera como una especie de alternativa monetaria. ¿Vos creés que es posible en Argentina esa discusión?
Lo primero que hay que comprender es que el Banco Central es una estafa. Es un mecanismo por el cual los políticos estafan a las personas de bien con el impuesto inflacionario. El Bitcoin lo que está representando es la vuelta del dinero a su creador originario, que es el sector privado. El dinero es una invención del sector privado. El Bitcoin no, tiene un algoritmo y un día va a llegar a una determinada cantidad y no hay más. ¿Qué es lo interesante? Que es la vuelta al sector privado. El problema es que los estados no te van a querer ceder que del curso forzoso, porque del curso forzoso te estafan con el impuesto inflacionario. Entonces el Bitcoin es la reacción natural frente a la estafa que son los bancos centrales y que el dinero vuelva a ser privado. ¿Qué es lo que pasa? Cuando vos tenés economías con alta inflación y el problema de la estafa es más claro, entonces hasta podés discutir, como planteo yo, directamente eliminar el Banco Central.
Bitcoin holders also resonate with Milei's views of the central bank as a scam, but I will temper this optimism with a reminder that the runaway inflation of Argentina at 146% and the IMF debt of $31 billion will likely need to be dealt with before any Bitcoin legislature is made. Last but not least, Bitcoin hash rate has hit an all-time high at 497 exahashes per second. This means miners are making 497 quintillion hash computations every second, showing extreme miner confidence. I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick update. As always, stay safe in the markets. None of this is financial advice. Buy Bitcoin, hold Bitcoin, and shut the fuck up.